Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Apple iPhone 16e. Full disclosure, this was very kindly loaned to me by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. So let's take a look inside the box. This is the iPhone 16e, the very latest and very affordable iPhone from Apple, and I can't wait to share my opinion with you in this first impressions video. So we've pulled the tabs off the back of the box there. It's available in a couple of colours, and this one happens to be the white version. It's also available in a black colourway as well. Really nicely presented, and oh, I like the feel of the back of this. That is very, very cool. I also really like the way they've done the Apple logo on the back there. Single camera, but very capable camera. We've got the flash there as well. We've got this metal band around the outside. Very, very cool indeed. So this is the SIM card tray on this side here. We've also got the volume up and down. We've got the action button just there. And also on this side, the main power button. Really nice finish to this. Really good unboxing experience as we'd come to expect from Apple. On the bottom here, we've got the speaker microphone and USB-C. Now I'm going to take the screen protector off in a moment, just show you what else you get inside the box. So we have got a little pack here with a SIM removal tool. We've also got the cable in here as well. So let's take a look at this cable. It's a nice braided cable, terminated with USB-C on both ends. Very, very nice quality braided cable. Then we also get some paperwork. Let's take a look inside here. So the paperwork consists of some regulatory information. There's no quick start guide. It's just some regulatory information in various languages. And that is pretty much the box contents. But of course, what we want to see is the iPhone itself. So let's peel this off for the first time. Wow. Nothing beats peeling off a screen protector for the first time. So hopefully we've got some power in here. We're going to turn this on, and I will give you a quick look at the screen, give you my first impressions of the sort of screen quality. And also I will show you a little bit of a comparison between this and my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this is now turned on. So we've got the little hello text come up in the middle there. Very, very cool. You can see we've got the notch at the top, some information at the top as well. So I'm going to quickly set this up and then show you what the screen looks like. So here we go. The iPhone 16e is now set up and ready to use. The whole process was very, very easy. It took me around about 10 to 15 minutes, and that included restoring from one of my previous iCloud backups. The screen is brilliant. It's a very, very nice size. As always with Apple products, top quality. Very, very impressed indeed. And indeed, I'll give you a quick comparison. It's not a fair comparison, but just to give you a size comparison between the iPhone 16e and my iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can see the size difference there. And I thought it would be very, very notable. Now, of course, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is bigger, but this is a really nice size screen, nice and manageable, very, very comfortable in the hand. I'm really, really impressed. So even though this is just an unboxing and first look, we will have a quick look at the camera. You can see I've got my little model down there. We have got a 2x zoom on here. So let's zoom in to take our first photo, and then we'll have a look at that photo. It is just very, very good indeed. Really good quality. The amount of detail that is picked up, this is absolutely superb. And of course, as you saw there, I can tap and hold and make that into a sticker, which would be very, very cool indeed. But for now, I'm just really impressed. Very, very good indeed. Really loving the finish on this. The white colour, absolutely stunning. Very, very good. The iPhone 16e is exceptional phone for the money. Now, a little bit of a bonus for you. Apple did also very kindly send me in one of their cases to have a look at. So this is the iPhone 16e Silicone Case, and this one happens to be in lake green. So we're going to have a look at this. So if you have watched all the way to the end of the video, you're going to get a look at one of the Apple Silicone cases for the iPhone 16e. Really nicely packaged as always. One of my favourite colours, and in fact really pleased that they sent me the green. Very, very pleased. Nice, smooth, soft lining to this. Yeah, this is going to look awesome on the iPhone. Let's just pop this into the case. And there we go, as easy as that. Nice cutout for the camera on the back. Integrated buttons, of course. This is a very, very cool case. Really impressed with it. Slight raised edge around the top of the screen there. Feels very, very nice in the hand. I can really get to grips with this case. It's going to give it some protection around the outside. It's such a nice design. I really do like this colour as well. It's a very subtle, sort of almost forest green. Very, very cool indeed. So that is it for my video. This is the iPhone 16e. Really very impressed with it. First impressions are awesome. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description area. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website, and I will also be publishing some more videos showing you the iPhone 16e, so please do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on those future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.